The Japanese economy miracle is known as the Japan record period of economic growth between the past World War II era to the end of the Cold War. Japan rapidly became the world's second largest economy after United States. In this video, I will show you how Japan recovered its economy. One reason for Japan's quick recovery from the war trauma was successful economic reform by the government. The government body principally concerned with the industrial policy in Japan was the Ministry of Industry. The second reason for Japan accounts for Japan's rapid recovery from World War II was the outbreak of the Korean War. At first, we have to know the impact of World War II. Japan was devastated during the World War II. The human loss mounted to the 1.85 million and 600,000 of injured and missing. The material loss mounted to about 25% of national wealth. The industrial production dropped to 10%. Another problem is unemployment. About 13 million people were jobless. They became farmers. The next concern was the shortage of energy and food. The main source of energy during this time was koila, but there was impact of Chinese and Korean. However, Japan was on its way to recovery. The most important thing is the Dock Plan. The Dock Plan is 1948 conducted by Delta Bank President Johannes Dock. He introduced three basic policies. The first was balanced budget, the second was suspension of new loans from the Reconstruct Finance Bank, and third was reduced and abolition of subsidy. The plan was working slowly. It was impossible to achieve due to the condition. But with the start of Korean War in 1950, the economy boomed. The economic condition and situation changed completely. From 1915, when the Korean War began, to 1951, the total amount of world trade increased to 34%, and many countries including Japan experienced a significant boom of its economy. Japan production increased nearly 70%. In 1951, Japan earned $590 million. In 1952, it increased to $1,800 million. Per year, Japan could import $2 billion. In addition to the Korean War had increased the effect on plant and equipment, investment and technology innovation. Many factors for growth. The rapid economic growth in Japan from the beginning of 1950s to the early 1970s did not result from the special government policies and revolutionary events, but were also aided by the cumulative effects and handwork by the people. The Japan people improved their skill and applying to their system. There is a factor for economy improvement is practical use of technology. They began to import technology from other countries and learned it, and then apply it. Then Japan has produced small technology by its own. Year after year, they created new technology and boomed their economy. Japan also changed their business condition. The Japanese government was soft for them. They appointed skilled managers for better business. There are two major policies that led Japan's rapid growth. The first policy was Ikuda Dekorani. The Prime Minister developed the policy during the Korean War. He is sometimes called as the father of modern Japan economy. The policy was aimed to grow the amount of foreign trade with other countries. Their economy was growing. They made MITI, means Industry of International Trade and Industry. This was the most powerful government organization. The main target that MITI focused for growth: steel, chemical, machineries. Now Japan is the most industrial country. The economic miracle did not occur simply from the reform principle implemented during the occasion of the American force, but the basic factor for growth had already been prepared way beyond the start of World War II. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and never miss an updates.